Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool butterfly bow that you can put on a gift package or even on a wreath. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, fold it in half, and lay that down into my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take my 2 pieces of ribbon. I just love this ribbon for a birthday party. I think it's really perfect. And we're just going to fold it in half, and I'm going to just scrunch them together into my Bowdabra. And so now I have my tails. Then I'm going to take the ribbon here that I'm going to also put together, and we're going to make a really fun bow. So we're going to twist it and lay it in. And this is what I love about Bowdabra, is you can make a double bow with 2 different ribbons, and it will come out exactly how you want. Now what I'm going to do is put this in here. You just want to make sure that we've got the same, they're the same size. And now what I'm going to do, which is what we do with a Bowdabra butterfly bow, is we're just going to fold it in, twist it, scrunch it in. And you can see how I made each of the loops just a little bit shorter than the other one. So we're going to do the same thing on this side, and just going to make it a little bit shorter. Put that in there and twist it. There we go. And then now I'm going to do the exact same thing again. We're going to make this a little bit shorter than that one. Twist it and scrunch it down in. I'm going to do the same thing here. Just make it a little bit shorter. Let's see if I can center it. And now I'm going to just twist it. And then what I'm going to do is do my center loop, which again is going to be just a little bit shorter. And what I do to make everything crease correctly is I do like a little mountain in the middle of my ribbon, and that just scrunches in the way that I want it. Then I'm going to cut my excess ribbon here and take my wand and just scrunch everything down in here. Then I'll take my Bowdabra bow wire, which I folded in half so that you have a slip knot here, and I just pull the ends through my slip knot. Anybody who's watched a lot of my videos knows that's always the last step before we pull it out of the Bowdabra. Then I'm going to just separate my ends and tie it really tight, bring it around to the back, and again we're going to tie it tight. And this is a really thick bow. Which you can see, let me just show you the side of it. You can see how much ribbon we have in there. And this jute I love because it's a very, very thick burlap. And I'll just pull this here, pull it through, tie a knot, tie another knot, and then we're just going to fold this over here. So that's going to cover any extra tail. And we're just going to shape everything. And you can see that I have a little bit of the burlap ribbon showing underneath. And there you go. And you have this beautiful butterfly bow for your gift package.